Hi guys, welcome to the Satoshi African Academy YouTube channel. I am Uncle Wealth and I'm gonna be your partner on this journey. We are setting up this channel to help as many beginners who want to learn about crypto and who want to go into crypto without falling for fake information out there. We just want you to learn the basics and then grow from there. The crypto world is wide and is always evolving. There are new technologies, new terminologies, and new projects. So we will try our best to ensure that our videos are easy to understand and our videos are encouraging you to take a step. We want you to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned by turning on notifications so that whenever we post our videos, you will not miss it. We look forward to going on this journey with you and we encourage you to be active. See you in the next video.